New 8 inches rugged IP66 tablet with Android or Linux OS. Supports 4G LTE for high-speed connectivity. MP6765 Octa-Core 2.3000兆赫兹 processor. POE-powered RJ45 port for versatile connections. Iris recognition for advanced security. NFC and RFID for contactless communication. Fingerprint and Face ID for secure access. 3D barcode scanner for efficient data capture. Active pen with electromagnetic screen for precision import. IP66, waterproof, dustproof, crashproof. Dual SIM and pogo-pin for flexibility. Custom hardware and software, OTA updates. Long-term support and turnkey solution.